Welcome back everyone. In this session, I'm going to show you how we can log into the system and only admin privileged users can access the user page. Okay, in the previous video we were having that login problem where the user page was not getting displayed for all the users. So let me just grab this. See guys, if I just click on login right now and first of all let me just go and say John, and his password is 1234. So let me click on login. Okay, and as I'm saying that he's not getting that user page, okay, from where he can make the normal user as the expert users or admin page. So let me just show you from the back end first. Okay, let me bring my command prompt like this. So as you can see, we have John, who is the first user, and this is his password, and he's first let me just turn on the headers and show you dot headers on. Okay, and again let me just say like this, select star from users, and as you can see here we have expert. Okay, this is the expert column and this is the admin column, and he's not the expert but he's the admin. So as soon as the John logs in, okay, he should get that user page setup, okay, which we are not getting right now. Okay, and uh, it should happen only for the other users. Okay, so because they are not admins, see Mark and Anthony should not get the user page. For them it is working perfectly fine, but for John, even if he is an admin, here it says one, he's not getting the user page. Okay, so we are going to rectify that particular problem in this particular session. Okay, so right now what is happening is, okay, in our home page I have set this value. Okay, I have set this value saying that if the user is logged in, okay, and if the user logged in is an admin and its value matches as 1, okay, then only we are going to see this user setup page. Okay, so this is the code right now. Okay, so right now what is happening is, uh, after logging in, okay, see guys, this is the code for logging in, and once the code has logged in, okay, this function, okay, this function will get you that particular current page. Okay, and we are going to navigate to the home page. See, this is what the code is written in the home page. Okay, so what happens is from here the control is going to come to this particular function. Okay, this particular function, okay, where home page is getting shown to us. Okay, and the first line of code says in this particular function that we have to get the current user from this particular function, which we are going to store it in this particular variable called as user. Okay, now I've done a very small mistake, very silly mistake actually, that these two statements, okay, these two statements are not required anymore because I am going to get the current user in this particular variable. I don't have to get it from the session anymore. So I'll just have to remove these two lines of codes. That's it. Okay, that's the only correction which we have to make. Okay, and once we have got the user from the current get current user function, and we are going to navigate to the home page, and user we are going to pass it like this. Okay, this user variable we are going to pass it as a user variable itself here itself. That's it. That is the only small change we are going to do in our application, and our application will work really fine. Okay, so let me just refresh my page. Okay, as you can see, uh, so we have this login page right now. Okay, and let's log in. Okay, so we are in the home page right now, so let's log in first, and let me log in as John, John, and his password is 1234. So let me give that and click on login button, and as you can see, now we are getting the user setup page, so where he can click on that and make the normal user as the expert user just by clicking on their particular name. Okay, so let me just do like this. uh, Let me just click on the Anthony. Okay, so he has become the expert level. Okay, but now let us go to the backend. Okay, let us go to the backend. Okay, and use that select star from users query, hit enter, and as you can see, both of them now have expert levels. Okay, but still we have not made them as the admin of the application. Okay, see, only John is the admin. See, this is the last column where it says 1. Okay, these two people, Mark and Anthony, okay, are normal users. They are not the admin. Okay, they might be expert level users, but they are not the admin of this application. So whenever you log in as Mark or Anthony, okay, they should not be able to get this particular link and come to this particular page. Okay, so first let me log out of this application and now log in as either Mark or Anthony. So let me say Mark, his username also we have set it as 1234. When I click on login, so as you can see, we are not getting that user page anymore for Mark. Okay, so now let me log out. Let me check the same functionality for Anthony. Okay, I hope I'm writing the spelling correctly. So let me check here. It is Anthony, 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 and password is 1234. Let me click on login, and he's also successfully logged in, but he's also not getting the user page. Okay, so this perfectly works for both of them. Okay, one last time, let us check for the John. He's the admin. Okay, and only John has privileges to change the normal person to an expert person. Okay, so only he has to get the admin access. So since he's an admin, so let me click on login, and as you can see, only he can go to the login page. Okay, and make anybody as expert level users. Okay, now just for time being, I'll just make all of them again normal users again. Okay, I'll just write the update query. Let's write the update query for that. So update. Okay, first you have to write the table name like this, update users. Okay, and we have to set okay, what we are setting is this particular column value. Okay, the expert column value. So that is the column name expert is equal to, and since I have chosen as boolean values, okay, I'm just simply going to give it as 0. Okay, and here I'm not mentioning where clause. Okay, I'm updating all the users, okay, expert level to 0. Okay, so let me just click enter and it got executed. Okay, so let me just first check in the backend as well. Select star from users semicolon enter, and as you can see now the expert column 0 0 and 0, all three of them have become uh, expert level as 0, not 1 anymore. Okay, the same thing can be seen here when I refresh this particular page. Okay, see from the backend, the background also changed into white. They are not coming in yellow color anymore. And since John is logged in to the system, only he has access to this particular page, and he has the admin privileges to make these normal users into expert users. So just by clicking on this particular name, okay, this tab, just so expert level, as you can see, it's become 1. Okay, so this is the entire login and logout application with user authentication. Okay, I hope you like this video. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.